Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, daytime running lights, alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.